Welcome to another presentation on the latest Datavideo hardware. This might not be the latest invention that we have done at Datavideo, but it is one of the most exciting pieces of hardware that we currently have in our lineup. This is the HRS-30. It's a portable field side recorder with a 10-inch viewing monitor that you can fold down and easily carry around. As you can see, this product folds down into a small and smart recorder. The backside, where all the connectors are placed, folds up conveniently as well, so they are protected during transport. So when I open up the monitor, the connectors will be revealed automatically. And there's a handy guide printed in here, so you can find your way around blindly. HRS-30 supports multiple input and output configurations. It has an HD SDI input with a maximum resolution of 1080x50 or 60. It has two HDMI outputs. So one can go to your reference monitor and the other can go to the program projector, for instance. Now viewing what you have recorded becomes a breeze with this bright 10-inch viewing monitor. It has speakers down below so you can also hear the audio recording. Now the 2.5-inch hard disk or SSD drive records in both compressed QuickTime, MOV, or MXF. Now let's have a closer look at the product. This is the inside with the 10-inch viewing monitor and speakers for audio monitoring. As you can see, it has a complete keyboard for easy operating experience. And this small monitor right here shows the recording status, the battery power, the total length of the clip, and the 8-channel audio meters. So this is the removable tray for the 2.5-inch hard disk drive over here. You can put it out and connect it to a PC or a Mac with the delivered USB cable. On the back of the monitor is a V-mount connector, so you can record off-grid at ease with regular batteries that you might use in the rest of your setup. Now, if you want to know more about the HRS-30 or where to buy information, please take a look at our website, which is datavideo.com. And don't forget to follow us on social media. You can find all the information down below. Thank you.